I love a good spicy street style noodles. So today I'm gonna show you how to make burnt chili garlic noodles. So first let's start by boiling our noodles. Here I have some boiling water. To this I'm gonna add a generous amount of sea salt, a little bit of oil, and then we'll add our dry noodles and cook until they're al dente. Once done, strain it and rinse it in cold water, and then spread on a plate or a bowl with a large flat surface. And now drizzle some oil and toss it so that it won't stick to each other. Next, let's move on to making our chili paste to give that street style color and spiciness. Here I have soaked some byadagi red chilies in some hot water for about 20 minutes. You can also use Kashmiri chilies as well. Now let's drain it and add them to a mixing jar and grind it into a fine paste. Don't throw away the chili water, you can add it to the mixer if the paste seems too coarse. Next, heat some oil in a pan and add the chili paste and cook until the moisture is gone and it starts releasing oil on the edges. Now we'll add some sugar, vinegar, and cook for another 2-3 minutes. At last, add some salt and mix it. Now our chili paste is ready. You can store it in refrigerator in an airtight container for up to 3 weeks. Next, let's move on to making our burnt chili garlic noodles. Heat a wok nice and hot and then add some red chilies, chopped garlic, and cook until the garlic turns crispy and golden brown. Then add ginger and green chilies and cook for another 30 seconds or so. Now add sliced onions and cook for a minute on a high flame. Now we'll add the chili paste that we made earlier and cook for another minute. Then add some green onions and mix it. Now we'll add our tomato sauce, vinegar, and a dash of dark soy just for the color and mix it. I'm adding a little bit of that chili water just to dilute the mixture. Then add some salt and mix it. Now we'll add our vegetables one by one and cook them for 2 minutes on a high flame. Here I have taken some blanched baby corn, capsicum, and cabbage. You can also add carrots or mushrooms as well. Next, we'll add our cooked noodles and toss everything together. At last, add some spring onion greens and mix it. Now our burnt chili garlic noodles is ready. Just serve it with some chili oil on top and some more spring onion greens and enjoy. I hope you liked this video and give a thumbs up. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to it yet, please do subscribe and share and hit that bell icon for more updates. Until next time, see ya!